So for our roast chicken and red pepper orzo, you will need some red peppers, tomato puree, onions, some smoked paprika, oregano. You need some dried orzo as well. You'll need some tomatoes, some frozen peas or fresh peas if you have, some stock as well, and also I use some fresh dill to like uplift in the flavour. Your simple marinade for the roast chicken, you will need some lemon zest, so you can grate your lemon zest into a bowl, add your dried oregano. If you don't have oregano, try marjoram or even thyme, that's fine, and then lots of rapeseed oil or extra virgin olive oil. Then what you want to do is you want to massage that into your roast chicken, make sure it gets everywhere. When that's done, season with salt and pepper and then pop it straight into the oven. Right, on to making our red pepper orzo. That's going to go so well with our roast chicken. What we want to do is we want to chop up all those fresh dill that we have and those tomatoes as well. When you're ready to slice your peppers, I love slicing them this way, just straight down, so you get this brilliant circular shaped red pepper ring that's going to go into your orzo dish, and it will look really pretty when you've cooked it. So start cooking by adding in your oil into a pan, then add in your chopped onions and your tomatoes, and you want to kind of saute that down to the tomatoes break down a little bit and your onions are nice and soft. Add in that tomato puree as well, which is going to enrich that flavour. In goes that smoky paprika and that dried oregano, and then top it off with that lovely stock, and we're just going to let that cook. Next, scatter in that orzo and those frozen peas as well, and then what you want to do is you want to like gently tuck in those red pepper rings around your dish so they kind of gently sit on the top of your sauce. While you've popped your orzo into the oven to cook, take out your chicken and you want to just baste that roast chicken till it's cooked throughout. When everything is cooked, that is it. Take it out and serve it up on a plate with slices of that roast chicken on top of your orzo, and then give it a little flurry of more fresh dill if you have, or fresh parsley, and serve it straight away. I hope you guys enjoyed this summer recipe, and please like and subscribe for more.